Hello students, welcome to my class once again. And in today's video, I shall be talking about how you can improve your verbal communication skills or how you can improve your speaking skills. जैसा कि आप सब बच्चे जानते हैं कि वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन और स्पीकिंग स्किल्स में मास्टरी करना is very important for all of you, especially for those who are about to appear in any interview. And in today's class, I will simplify all the tips and the tricks to excel your speaking skills in just 10 minutes. So please watch this video very carefully and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So without wasting time, let's start our video. So let's get started. Yes. So सबसे पहले हमें ये जानना होगा कि ओरल कम्युनिकेशन का क्या मतलब है. So oral communication simply means exchange of an information between a receiver and a sender through spoken words. And you know, it is most common form of communication that we use very oftenly. सबसे ज़्यादा क्या form of communication use होता है? Definitely oral communication. And where we use it mostly, particularly while teaching in a classroom, especially while conducting a meeting with the office, you can say colleagues, and while conducting an interview, and to chit chat, to conversate with our family members or with the friends in daily life. So this is the most common form of communication that we use on daily basis. So what is oral communication? A communication that happen between a sender and a receiver through spoken words. So now let's move to the next slide. So before speaking, you should remember there are 2, 3, 4 important points that we always need to keep in mind. The first is that the clarity of message. So whatever you speak, whatever information you share verbally should be clear to the receiver. Don't use any foreign language. Don't use any confusing words. Don't mispronounce the spelling of any word, and don't use any technical language that we call jargon, because a receiver might get confused. So the first important thing to keep in mind while speaking is your message, your information should have clarity. Okay, now the next form is correctness. What is correctness? Correctness simply means use proper grammar, use proper punctuation, share accurate facts to maintain credibility. So if you commit these kind of mistakes very oftenly while speaking any information, sharing any information verbally, so the receiver might get confused or receiver might not be able to trust you. So this is the thing that we always need to keep in mind. The second is be brief, be confident, be concise, be short, be brief, and don't overload your speech with too much of information. Always be short, be precise. Just share the relevant information required by the receiver. And the third important point is be confident. Always speak with confidence. Maintain positive body language. Avoid the words like huh, or don't repeat one thing again and again. Don't fumble. Don't hesitate. Otherwise, the other person might not be able to interact with you. So be concise, be precise, be short, and be confident. Next is show some courtesy, be polite, show some respect, be empathetic towards the feelings and emotion of the listener. Otherwise, you may get wrong by the receiver. And another important feature is always try to complete your sentence. Don't give half information. Don't give you can say half information, incomplete information. Don't complicate the things. Don't try to confuse the receiver. Always give complete information in a simplified manner. So completeness should also be there in your speech. The next is your body language. So definitely you are speaking some words, you are uttering some words, they have some kind of meaning, but your body language also matters a lot. And always maintain a positive body language. Always maintain regular eye contact. Always give good gestures, and try to show that you are really interested in talking to that person, and always try to engage your audience. And how you can engage your audience? When you listen to their feedback, to their suggestions very attentively. So the last feature is listen very actively to their suggestions. As you know that communication is a two-way process, so always respond, always nod, always pay attention to whatsoever you can say responses you are receiving. And next is adaptability. Always try to adapt according to the need of the audience. Don't speak always in one tone. Don't use same kind of examples again and again. Try to adjust your style of speaking. Try to use different type of words in order to explain better, and that should be suitable to your audience. And never forget to take the feedback. Taking feedback is very important for doing some kind of correction and improvement. And the real life examples are where we use verbal communication very commonly, very oftenly at a workplace, while attending a video lecture or a classroom lecture, while giving an interview, and in day to day life. So, I hope this topic is clear to everyone. If you are liking my video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.